Alrighty, Dell Do-It-Yourself crew. We're back today with the Spider-Verse Whopper. It's a limited edition thing. And as far as I know, we're one of the first to try it out. So there's been a couple of other like limited food-related movie release things. Like if it's a burger that's colored a certain way based on a movie. Like a Black Panther even had its own burger. I guess getting into the burger, you can see it's colored into the tradition. So Miles Morales, you know, he wears the red and black costume, all themed around him. So yeah, they use black sesame seeds. The bun is dyed red, which is really cool.
Open up the bun, see what's inside. What layers we got?
So it's a nice thick Whopper. We've got tomatoes, mayonnaise, mozzarella. It's either mozzarella cheese, tomato, and yeah, your standard Whopper patty with mayonnaise to finish it off.
All right, give it a bite.
And ketchup. So let's get into it. So, yeah, all the ingredients I really like. You know, the lettuce, it's less about, it's more about, they didn't necessarily change the ingredients for the burger, it's just themed around the movie, so you get the same taste pretty much as a Whopper. Like you get your pickles and tomatoes in there, which is really good. And, you know, the red bun and the black sesame seeds don't add any different flavor to it. It's still just dyed to look different. But yeah, there's ketchup, mayonnaise in here. And of course we got a side of Burger King French fries and your Burger King fruit punch. So, yeah. Pretty decent meal, good way to fill up during the day. If you're near Burger King and they're doing this release, I highly recommend you try it out. And Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse comes in theaters June 2nd, so go see it. I know I am. Thank you for watching. Of course, this will be my final update on my adventure with the Burger King Whoppers. I had two so far, one being the Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse Whopper, themed around the Into the Spider-Verse movie with the red and black bun, and tastes really good. Could really appreciate the quality of it. The bun didn't really contribute anything. It was more of a theming thing, more of a cool thing you can show your friends. And I got a crown with it. And I had a regular Whopper. Actually, is this the... Oh yeah, this is it. So yeah, you can see here that it's the red bun with all of the fixins of a Burger King Whopper. Still it's a very good meal, I think. And following that up, I had a regular Whopper, which that was tough to finish, but I did it. I wanted to see if I could eat 2 Whoppers in a day, and I did. So, anyway, I'm Meatball, coming from the Dell Do-It-Yourself channel with more food reviews, product reviews, and general entertainment. Hope to see you in the next one.